Coach ko lang kahapon, nandito ka ngayon, so ibig sabihin, you're a member today? Wow! Sige, punta kayo dito sa harap, please. Who else? First timers, punta po kayo sa harap. First timer, ma'am? Wow, ang dami. Pwede po po tayo dyan sa left side. Yan. Grabe, ang dami. Hindi ko sila makita lahat. Kaya patay muna natin, sisilaw sila. Yung nga pala, yung question nandun. Sorry. Okay, so what do we do with the first timers? Narinig niyo po ba yun? Sige, dance. Ready po ba kayo? Okay. Actually po, first of all, let's give her clap offering batawa. Okay. Sa lahat ng nag-attend today, and the first timers, welcome po. Parang ang dami, grabe, no, simula. Amazing talaga, ang galing-galing. Lahat po ba kayo, majority nag-attend ng fast start? Lahat po? Ang galing yung speaker, ano po? Parang hindi. Magaling yung speaker po, di ba? Napakagaling. Okay, so to start off, actually, we welcome po lahat ng first-timers. Para mas marami yung harap dito kaysa dito sa likod, okay? So, we welcome po namin lahat ng first-timers. Pero, dahil sobrang dami po, as much as we want to accommodate everybody to share, di ba? Or to answer the two questions, hingi na po kami ng volunteers, okay? Meron lang pong dalawang question that we need to answer. Para lang po itong Binding Pilipinas. Diba? Wala akong tatanong dito ng how many islands? Kasi baka tanongin din ako ng high tide or low tide. Okay. May two questions lang po. Pag tinawag po or nag-volunteer po kayo in front, introduce yourself, say your name, tapos second, sino po yung inyong senior marketing director? And then the third is you choose from the two questions. The first question is, why did you join IMG? Yung second question is, why do you love IMG? Okay po ba yun? Yes. Right? Isa lang yung ready. Okay, is that okay? Okay, sige. Unahin ko na yung unang nag-yes na napakalakas si Sir. Yan. Can I invite you, Sir? Si Sir ba yung galing sa
US, WFT.
Fresh from United States of America? Or si Joram lang din? Si Joram. Okay, your name, Sir?
Joseph. This is
Joseph.
Rad, R-A-D.
Joseph Rad. What do we say?
Hi, Joseph.
And who's your senior marketing director?
Ayun dalawang sa
Sino naghatod sa imo dire?
Bisa.
Joke lang. Unsa man gyapon?
Our green jacket here, City sa Jalan, this one super new.
Alright, so you're from
FG.
WSB. But in the Philippines, you're not coded yet as IMG. IMG also. Okay, it's from Gemma. Okay, so is your first time here?
Second, yeah, first time.
First time here, full-time IMG or part-time, sometime, or full-time? Wow. If you don't mind, how young are you? 22. 22. Alright. Dali, parang gusto kong humingi ng kanin.
Ulam na ba?
Facebook status na, Joseph. Facebook status. Singers! Sheila. Happy people lang talaga sa IMG, Joseph. Happy people. So we welcome everybody here. We have to answer one of those two questions, if you want both. First is why did you join or why did you? By the way, how long have you been a member of IMG?
4 months. Kasi year ako for the rest of the 4 months. So 6 months ako part na WFG and WFG. Wow.
Your position here is SM.
Here?
Okay, so you answer one of those two questions. First, which one will you choose?
First one, why did I join the business?
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, good morning to everyone. Thank you for the warm welcome. So, first one, why did I join the IMG business? So, I joined the IMG business for one of the most important reasons is gusto ko kasi mapag-retire yung mom ko. So, first reason. And then the second one is I remember my grandma when I was young, nung nasa high school, 14 years old, she suffered from stroke. And half of her body was dead. She was paralyzed for 20 years. Yeah, so lahat ng ipon ng mama ko pag pagbulan, both went there. So we didn't have the proper protection. We didn't know how many works that time. O diba, kung ayaw yung hindi makalabas parang mahirap na 20 years pa. And the last reason is I want to prove to everyone, especially to all millennials here na doesn't matter that we were young and then that every others who are individuals who are older than us, we still have something to share, something good. Na kahit ako itself, I hadn't finished my bachelor's, diba? Pasawi ako yung high school, yan, inuman and everything. Naging pero WC really changed my life and IMG, the way I think, the way I see life, the way I visualize everything. Right, so we'll just keep building and then we'll follow the vision mission system. Thank you.
Goose.
What do you think, Joseph? Grabe, admirable. 22-year-old. Sino 22-year-old in the house? Aside from me. Wow!
Yung dumami. Yung dumami.
Ang daming Pinocchio dito. Ang daming Pinocchio, di ba? Admirable. Very rare for a
Yes.
22-year-old to be full-time and to think about building a solid financial foundation at an early stage in life, right? Alright. Who's the second volunteer? Alam niyo yung nagbo-volunteer, yun daw yung madali yung senior marketing director. Any volunteer? Okay, go ahead. Hi! Hi, Eva! Okay, Eva, what do you do for You're from?
Caloocan.
Caloocan. Okay, so ilan taon sila?
26 po.
Wow, single.
Yes.
Single! Ay, hindi daw, bebe. Okay, biglang hindi. So you have, sino pong SMD nila?
Si Tita Luz Lozada.
Wow!
Ate Luz, okay. So you have two questions. Which one would you like to answer? The first one. Okay, go ahead. Why did you join?
Yeah, why did I join IMG? Actually, I first I got interested actually in stocks. Then last year kasi my dad passed away. Then yung lahat na retirement fee actually same with him. Ni mama is nagamit. So parang ayoko na yung susunod next na years ni mama is ma-spend lang with nothing. So gusto ko siya ma-travel somewhere na hindi pa nila pupuntahan. And next is, I want to plan for my future kasi if I will build a family, ayoko na yung maging, tawag dito, yung parang maging, nila ako, yung pabigat yun, na gusto ko, ma-enjoy din nila yung life nila.
Okay, thank you. What do we say to Eva? Okay, thank you. Galing yung story nila, no? Sabi nga sometimes, something has to trigger to our life in order for us to react to it. I can fully relate to the first two you shared kasi it actually happened also to my father. If I may share lang a few seconds ago, my father, I'm a proud product of a dressmaker and a janitor. My father started as a janitor. He worked for more than almost 30 years. He worked for almost 30 years, but apparently, sa building ng solid financial foundation, the only thing that we have is money in the bank that he got from his retirement, which served or somewhat like investment ng family. Apparently, when he got sick, all the money from his retirement started to deplete, diba? Until naubos to cover for his medical needs. He died without any insurance. There's no emergency fund in their family. Good thing, walang naiwan na utang sa amin ng mother ko, but even if I'm an only child, I have to support myself to finish school. So that's the very important of having a solid financial foundation. That's why the two sharings, totoo yun. It's very important for us to cover that, to have that solid financial foundation. Amen? Amen! Alright, so another share. Can we ask naman from 22 and 26, yung mga nasa genre ko. May 18 ba dito? Okay, ma'am. Uy, kapangalan ka nickname ko pa. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Jean.
Jean.
Hi, Jean!
How young are you, Jean?
48.
Wow! Diba? Who's your SMD po?
Jerry.
Warden.
What can you say? Wow! Okay, Miss Jean, what do you do for a living today?
Government employee.
Government. From?
DOJ.
DOJ. Wow! Saglit lang, DOJ. Department of Justice ito. Leila Tilima in the house. Okay, we have two questions, ma'am. Which one do you prefer to answer po? Yung why did you join? Okay, go ahead, Miss Jean.
Simple lang. Hindi ako katulad nila yung mabait. Ako, makasarili. Financial freedom. Nahiya ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, nakakahiya tayo, madami. So yun lang, financial freedom.
Bakit yung mom nasabi na nakakahiya?
Kasi lagi ko pa rin kami humihingi sa papa. Lagi namin nadinig kay mama, papa.
I-classify natin yung papa, ma'am. Anong age bracket mo? Isa na kayo ng papa?
70-something, 74. Anyways, yun, financial freedom. Maganda din kung galing sa amin. Kaysa lang pasa-pasa. So yun.
Ex-curve, no? Ex-curve. Thank you, Miss Jean. What do you say to Miss Jean? Hello. Thank you for sharing. So, parang gusto nang lumapit ni Ate sa akin. Go ahead, sabi niya mag-stretching. Okay, go, Ate. Support. Husband in mind. Hi!
I'm Jackie and this is my husband, Bernard.
Hindi ko natatanungin who's the spokesperson kasi hawak mo na yung mic. Okay.
Okay,
Jackie and Bernard. What do you say?
asawa ko. Yeah.
Okay, so who's your marketing director?
Feliz Santiago.
Wow! You know where they are today? As we speak, they are having the grand time of their life in the US. Alright. Courtesy of IUC. So, you have two questions po. Wow, which one would you like? First, why did you join? Okay.
Well, we joined. Actually, my husband yung nag-introduce sa akin. So, I joined IMG this because we just recently got married. That's why.
Uy!
Lumundod.
So, as husband and wife, so gusto namin, soon kasi we're planning to have a baby. So, ayaw namin medyo mahirapan yung anak namin. So, as early as now, we're getting ready for the future of them. Parents, thank you din sa kanila for supporting us all well.
Sagot ni Sir, anything you add or same?
Sa akin, kaya para sa akin kasi kaya kami sumali para din sa tulad na sinabi niya, financial freedom sa financial education. Kasi sa panahon ngayon parang pagdating sa finances, marami ang hindi depende.
Thank you. Sorry. What do you say to Jackie and Bernard? Happy honeymoon. Congrats. Ano sabi nila? Ano? Di ba sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, academic excellence is very important and so is financial education. Apparently, the schools normally they forget one of those two, which is financial education. And that is one great thing that si IMG po provides to everybody, to every individual. Okay? Sino pa po ang would like to tawag dito? Go ahead, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm sure.
Sha?
Yes.
Aisha!
Who's your SME, ma'am?
Malvinet.
Wow! Ang galing ng speaker kanina, di ba?
Opo, magaling po talaga eh.
So, compliment talaga yun, ma'am. So, what do you do for
I'm working in PGH. As an
Nurse.
admin sa Radon Department.
sa PG? So, which one do you
The first one.
Why did you join?
IMG kasi I want to change my life. My life.
Yung family namin, hindi talaga siya, talagang ipon, hindi na paghandaan yung future. Singing ko, hindi pa late, so it's better to start right now, di ba? Yun. Tapos, nag-thank you din na kay Grace who invited me to join IMG. Kasi iniba niya yung thinking ko eh. Nag-wide yung thinking ko about financial
Thank you, ma'am. What do we say to her? Thank you very much po. Palakpakan natin siya. Allow me to volunteer this girl kasi yesterday, she came to the office in Calamba, Laguna. I really got surprised nung nakita ko siya dito. So, ibig sabihin, she officially joined. Kaya, nag-blush na, may goodness. Ina-invite you. Yung minutes lang. Bakit pala siya? Here, huwag ka mag-alala. Walang exam dito. Kahapon hiyang-hiya pa siya sa Calamba, pero huwag ka mag-alala, susuportahan kita. I'll hold your hand. Okay. Gusto mo tawagin si Jules? Alright, super. Okay. Sandali, para tayo nagtitinikling. Umiiyak ka? Oh my God, she's crying! Naiyak na siya, hindi pa nagsasalita. Marian, may assignment ka next week, ha? Sige, isa na lang. Ilan pa? Cherry, sige, go ahead. Cherry. Ito, nakita ko si Thursday si Mami. Huwag ka iiyak, ha? Hindi ako ready. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? Cherry. Cherry. Hi, yan si Miss Cherry. Thursday, nandito ka. Tapos, nandito ka ulit nung for the day sa pa-start mo. Sino po SMD nila, ma'am?
Sir Johnny.
Wow! Sir Johnny, idol ko yan. Happy, holy, wealthy retirement. Yan. So, why did you join them? Or first question? Or do you love na ba? First. Okay, why did you join IMG po? Okay. Kami na kayo ko sa lahat eh. Nakakaw niya luha ako.
Okay. Bakit ako na-join? Siguro based on my experience po sa family din, syempre. Usapang financial. Kami din po, pamilya din ang talagang wala. And naranasan ko po na, naranasan ko din po na namatayan po ng kamag-anak. Halos pag-usapan ka ng barangay na bakit ang tagal ba? Kasi wala. Same thing, yun din po ang ayaw kong mangyari. At may experience po ng mga anak ko. Single mom po kasi ako eh. And ayaw ko din po na pati po yung mga anak ko, mga problema, if ano may mangyari po sa akin. So, kailangan ko po si IMG. And yung pong natutunan ko po dito at matututunan ko pa na pwede ko rin pong i-share sa iba, pati po sa mga anak ko. Di ba po? Kasi mo. Thank you po. IMG, thank you.
Thank you. What do you say to Miss Cherry? The first time I hosted Tawa ng Tawa. Ngayon lahat naman. Ano kaya yung third time? Couple.
May stripe.
Couple daw.
Go.
Okay, pupunta na daw sila. Okay, so, ano pong name nila ba? Bunny and Arvin. So, what do we say? Hi, Bunny! Sino pong SMT nila? Ana Remigio.
Wow!
Ano pong sasagutin nila sa question? Why did you join IMG? Sir, ask for first.
Sa akin siguro kaya ako nag-join sa akin. Okay, siguro para magkaroon ng direction tsaka makapag-retire ng maaga. So, para magkaroon din ng knowledge pagdating sa finances. Handle ng finances namin. So, sa photo lang.
Hindi sir, as a group. Anything you add? Usual na. Okay na. Okay, thank you. What do we say to them?
Hello, couple.
Hello, congratulations. Okay, pictorial po tayo. Sorry, we would like to accommodate everybody na lang viewers. Dami tayo.
Welcome SMDs brother. Welcome SMDs.
Ay, sorry. SMPs muna. You will be welcome by all the SMPs. Taas? Lahat po, yan. So, Sis Christy, and then there, Sis Munit, Sis Gina, Jerry Urbade, Belinda, Sis Anna,
Tuloy ka na meeting.
Sherry Luz, Ate Kay, Anna May,
And now! Ano giraffe? And now! Good morning!
Elijah, Sheila, Robert, Harold, Mary Ann, Chana, Burley, Dan, Ian, Lily, Susan, happy retirement, Sir Johnny, actually, Malik, sorry, welcome po.
Okay, pagkakalin natin sila. So, all in all, let's have an appreciating the